As you can see, this button is getting activated, and with the rise left, and this got activated. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this I'm going to demonstrate how to set up the motion control gestures and how to use the motion control gestures in the iQOO Neo 7 device. So this is iQOO Neo 7 device, and this phone has got the motion control gestures. So let's see how to set up and what are the things you should know about this new feature which the iQOO did implement. So the iQOO try to improve this kind of new features from previous phones as well. For example, in the iQOO 9 has got the pressure sensitive triggers. So right now, as you can see, if you try to long press on the screen, so the motion game space will be opening, and while gaming as well, you can actually use the long press on the screen as well to trigger some of the gestures. So same thing the iQOO did introduce in the iQOO Neo 7 device, which is the motion control gestures. For example, let me to open the PUBG game. Right now I'm trying to open the PUBG game, and let me to open the motion control gestures. So in this motion control gestures, as soon as you enable that, right now you do have the different motion controls. For example, tilt left, tilt right, rise left and rise right, and push forward horizontal and push back horizontally. As you can see, total 6 motion gesture controls you can actually enable and you can actually set up in this iQOO Neo 7 device. So first thing, let me to select one of the tilt gestures. So for example, so I'll try to use the rise. So let's use the rise. So let's enable that rise left. So you just need to rise to the left in this way. As you can see the animation as well, so which will demonstrate how to use. So right now you do get this kind of pop-up here, so where you can actually use this. So for example, let me to start the match and then do the setup. Let's start the match. So because once you get all the control set up, then you can actually see exactly what's going on. Let me to go to the exact controls and customize the buttons, and now you do have a lot of controls here. Now it's pretty easy. Now you can actually customize how to use. And now let me to push forward horizontally, something like this. So now let me to select this one. Maybe I'll try to use, yeah. So in this way you can actually select different gestures as well. Now let me to go back and let's start the match, and let me to show you how it actually performs in the iQOO Neo 7 device. Overall, I would not say this is not that useful feature. Maybe it might be useful little bit, but let me know in the comment section below, friends, what do you think about this motion control gestures in this iQOO Neo 7 device. So whereas the iQOO 9, which has got the pressure sensitive screen buttons, as you can see, iQOO 9 device, so which has got the pressure sensitive triggers in the iQOO 9, so you can actually long press. So same thing in this motion control gestures as well. So now the game has been started. Now let me to tilt it. So this trigger has been activated. Rise to rise left. You can see the button getting activated when I'm trying to rise left. And so right now let me to show you how it actually works. So let me to go to the motion controls, and I'll try to show you. Right now the tilt left has been enabled, and now let me to tilt it. As you can see, this button is getting activated, and with the rise left, and this got activated, as you can see. And pushing horizontal, I'm not sure. Let me to go again, and so you need to get used to this kind of gestures as well regarding the motion control. So okay, let me to do again. As you can see, friends, so just for the demonstration purpose, I'm trying to show you exactly. So rise left is easy, so rising is easy overall, and tilt, I think you need to tilt the phone like this way. and rise left. Yes. So now I'm getting used to this kind of motion control gestures, but overall I think you got a clear idea, right? So how it actually works regarding the motion control gestures in this iQOO Neo 7 device. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick look at the live demonstration and setup process of the motion control gestures. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and bye.